Ah, not again. Seriously? You are playing games with me now? Hi, my laptop keyboard is sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. It keeps turning on and off by themselves. Okay, let me check.
Yeah, this kind of problem usually means the keyboard is damaged.
So, can it be fixed?
The best solution is to replace keyboard entirely. It all costs you about 400,000.
400,000 for just a keyboard? That's way too expensive. Maybe I should call it that.
Hey Nasir, what's up?
My laptop keyboard is acting weird. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The repair shop wants me to replace the keyboard, and it's really expensive.
Hmm, if it's turning on and off, it might not be that cheap.
Really?
Yeah, my guess is the keyboard connector is either loose or dirty.
So, can I fix it myself?
If you're careful, yes, I can guide you through it on a video call.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, first things first, turn off the laptop completely. Good. Now, use a non-metallic pry tool and gently pry up the trackpad buttons. Be careful, don't force them.
Okay, it's done.
Nice. Under those buttons, you'll see two captive screws. Loosen both of them, but don't take them out completely. Next step, slide the keyboard slightly toward the screen, then lift the front edge.
Okay.
Good. Now pull the keyboard out of the bezel and flip it over toward the trackpad. You should see the cables underneath.
Yeah, I see two flat cables.
Those are the keyboard cable and the track point cable. Carefully disconnect both of them from the system board. Now you can completely remove the keyboard from the laptop.
It's out.
Before putting it back, clean the contact points on the cables. Just gently wipe them. No liquid.
Okay, they look cleaner now.
Great. Now it's time to install the keyboard.
It's working. It's working again.
Nice. Looks like it really was just a loose connector.
Thank you so much, Reza. You just saved me a lot of money.
Anytime, just remember, not every problem needs an expensive replacement.